Hello guys. Today we're settling the score in the battle of the beasts, the iPhone 15 Pro and the Galaxy S24 Ultra. These phones are rumored to be the hottest things since sliced silicon. But which one deserves a place in your pocket? Let's break it down. Under the hood, both phones are supposed to be monsters. We're talking next-gen processors, the A17 Bionic chip in the iPhone, and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the Galaxy. Benchmarks are still under wraps, but expect these phones to be smooth as butter, no matter what you throw at them. Now, let's talk cameras. Both are rumored to have triple lens systems. The iPhone might have a bumped-up 48 megapixels main sensor, while the Galaxy could offer a similar setup, with an extra 3x optical zoom lens, so the Galaxy might be your zoom champion for capturing those far-away details. Display-wise, both are expected to be gorgeous. The iPhone might stick with the smaller notch we've seen before, but the Galaxy could be rocking a completely bezel-less screen, making those movies and games even more immersive. Finally, battery life. This is where things get interesting. The Galaxy S24 Ultra might pack a bigger battery, which sounds great for those all-day gaming sessions. But iPhones are known for their amazing software optimization, so they might squeeze out just as much juice. Alright, it's not all about the internal specs. Let's talk about the features that make these phones unique. Software is a big one. The iPhone 15 Pro will likely run iOS 17, offering that tight integration with other Apple devices we all know and love. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, on the other hand, will probably sport Android 14, giving you tons of customization options to really make the phone your own. Here's something the iPhone doesn't have, the S Pen. The Galaxy S24 Ultra might keep this handy stylus, letting you take notes, doodle, or even edit photos with pinpoint accuracy. Alright, folks, here's the deal. This isn't a boxing match where there's one clear winner. Both phones cater to different preferences. Team iPhone 15 Pro if you're already deep in the Apple ecosystem and love how everything works. Together, you prioritize video recording and the smooth performance iPhones are known for. Team Galaxy S24 Ultra if you want a bigger display and the ability to zoom in further with that extra telephoto lens. You love the freedom to customize your phone with Android and the productivity boost of the S Pen. Ultimately, the champion is the phone that best fits your needs. So, let me know in the comments below which phone you're leaning towards. Did this breakdown help? What else do you want to know? Hit that like button and subscribe for more epic tech showdowns.